Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change appearance of your player. Let's get started by tapping the club, tap the locker room, and tap this one, appearance. So there are 5 options here. I want to show you this one, the socks option. So you can choose what socks type to your player. This is the short one, for example, or the average, or even the high. The height will cover your player knee like this. Tap confirm, and your player is using this a short average socks. You can also choose one by one, not for general. Like tap the player. I choose Neymar here, for example. I'm using this short. Tap confirm. So the Neymar, the only one player that using short here, and the other player using average. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.